In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add watermarks to your videos right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. Once you have Premiere Pro open and you have your footage imported, you're ready to import your watermark. So you want to go into your Finder and you want to drag your logo into Adobe Premiere Pro. Now the easiest way to do this is to import a PNG because a PNG will not have a background. But if you have a black background or a white background behind your logo, then you can simply use blending modes right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro to get rid of the background. So drag your image into Adobe Premiere Pro and we'll throw this image onto Video Layer 2. Now selecting that image layer, we want to go into the Motion tab and we'll decrease the scale and position this logo in the bottom left corner. Now to get rid of this black background from the logo, we want to go into Opacity, go into Blend mode, and we'll change the blending mode from normal to screen. If you had a white background with a black logo, then all you would have to do is select multiply or darken in the blending mode options. But because we have a black background, we'll select screen and that will get rid of that background. And all we have to do from here is just pull down the opacity of this image layer, so pull down on the opacity. And there you go, we've successfully added the watermark to our video. But if you don't have a pre-made logo and you want to watermark the video with some text, then we just follow the same procedure, but we have to begin by creating a new text. So we'll go into File, New, Legacy Title, and inside of a legacy title, we'll just type out whatever we want to say. So in this example, I'm going to put Brooker Films. We'll change the font, increase the weight of the font, and position this over to the bottom left corner of the frame. Now we'll exit the legacy title window and we'll drag this title over onto Video Layer 2 where the image file was before. And same thing again, we can just reposition this so that it's perfectly sat in the corner, decrease the opacity, and there you go. That is how you successfully watermark your videos right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. And there you go. If you enjoyed watching that video, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and check out the previous video if you want to see more content from this channel. See you next time.